A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you my dear students? Fine, मस्त मस्त. ज़्यादा बाहर तो नहीं निकल रहे हैं ना? Oh, very nice. So let me know, have you gone through our chapter? Our body, wonderful. We have gone with explanation, new words, reading practice, isn't it? And in this video, we will be going with worksheet reading. That is our part 3. So the topic of the day is Our Body Wonderful Worksheet Reading Part 3. So are my dear students ready with their textbook and notebooks? So let's start students, okay? So my dear students, let's go with our worksheet. So the topic is Our Body Wonderful Worksheet. First of all, take the correct answer. Your question number 1 will be take the correct answer. Which? WHICH. बच्चों मैंने आपको कल भी बताया था, where do you find long spelling, big spelling, you have to break. आप उसको break करेंगे and then you will read along. मतलब उसको साथ में जोड़ के फिर पढ़ेंगे. So you will find the pronunciation as well as the word, कि वो word क्या है और हमको कैसे उसको रीड करना है. Which of these is not a part of our body body. अब पूरा रीड करेंगे. Which of these is not a part of our body? HAND hand, LEG leg, PENCI pencil. Hand, leg और pencil. कौन सा इसमें से ऑप्शन है विच इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, जो हमारे पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी में इंक्लूड नहीं है? इट्स हैंड, लेग और पेंसिल. सो गॉट द क्लू? यस, pencil is not a part of our body. Now number 2 is, if your HANDS hands are TIED tied, BEHIND it's called behind, you will not be able to RUN run, SPEAK it's speak, HOLD hold, BOOKS books. Run, speak और hold books. आप बुक्स को ऐसे पकड़ते हो ना, उसको बोलते हैं hold books. Run दौड़ना, speak run, speak और hold books. If your hands are tied, you will not be able to. आपके हैंड्स बांध देंगे तो क्या होगा? You will not be able to hold books. आप कैसे पकड़ सकोगे बुक्स? अगर मैम आपके या मम्मा हाथ बांध देंगे तो आप क्या नहीं कर सकोगे? You will not be able to hold books. Now your question number 2 is LOOK it's look at the GIVEN given, PICTURE it's called picture. Look at the given picture of our, क्या है ये मैंने बताया? BODY body, and LABEL it's called label. It's DIFFERENT different parts. अभी पूरा रीड करेंगे बच्चों. Come on, read along with me. Look at the given picture of our body and label its different parts. PARTS, अभी रीड करो, पार्ट्स. सो वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लुक दिस पिक्चर. जहाँ पे आपको एरो दिख रहा है, यू हैव टू लेबल इट. डू द लेबलिंग. लेबलिंग मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट पार्ट. जहाँ पे एरो है, यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट पार्ट. Got it? First one, I will be telling you, but you have to write on your own, as we have done all the new words of our body. So first is hair. ये क्या है? Hair. HAIR, it's called hair. Chest. CHEST, chest. Chin. CHIN, it's called chin. CHIN, it's called chin. Chest. CHEST, chest. This is hand. We work, we write with our hand. HANDS, hands. दो हाथ हैं, so S. HANDS, it's called hands. And the next one is knee. KNEE, it's called knee. कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है? knee. And then thigh. THIGH, it's called thigh. After that, leg. LEG, leg. We walk with our leg. And then last comes foot. FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. In this way, break and join. So you will get the whole spelling, foot. So this was labeling of the diagram. Look at the given picture of our body and label its different parts. Got it, my dear students? Very nice. Good. Now third one is fill. Fill. आपको हर एक वर्कशीट में I am going to give you the fill in the blanks. तो आपको ये स्पेलिंग लर्न होनी चाहिए. FILL, it's called fill. In the, BLA सेपरेट किया. NKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks with the WORDS words. GIVEN given. BELOW. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. See the table box. This is the table box you will be given, और उसमें से you have to select the correct one and you have to write in this. Okay students, पहले read and read. CARE, it's called care. CA, कार का स्पेलिंग लर्न है, आता है. CAR, कार. If you will put E, it will become care. ध्यान रखना. Shoulders. SHOULDERS, is called shoulders. Fingers. FIN, fin. GERS, it's called fingers. Care, shoulders and fingers. Now we'll go with the first one, that is V. W-E-V. SHOULD, it's called should. We should. TAKE, take. Take. Dash. OF, off. DIFFERENT, it's called different. Different. Parts of our body. We should take care of different parts of our body. Got it? आपको इस तरह से लिखना है. How you have to read, break, join and pronounce and write down the 3 times. and you will be able to know the what is written and how you have to pronounce. We carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry our school bag, school bag, S-C-H-O-O-L, new word for you. जहाँ पे new word होगा, ma'am will read twice or thrice. We carry our school bags on our shoulders. Shoulders. We carry our school bags on our shoulders. ऐसे जाते हैं ना स्कूल में. Our arms, A-R-M-S, arms, hands and dash. Sorry बच्चों, help us to eat. Our arms, hands and, got the clue, and fingers help us to eat. To eat. Our arms, hands and dash fingers help us to eat. Got it? So this was all from chapter 1. Based on whole chapter, our body is wonderful. I hope you have understood it very nicely. If you find any problem, just call your Anjali ma'am. Okay, till then do take care of yourself. Namaskar. Have a great time. God bless you.